Morning, local preppers. Good morning. So, I literally just made this video for you. I was on a 6-minute rant when my phone said, I'm done. Told me, oh, there's not enough space. So I went in there and deleted every video I could find. It's like, not enough. And it tried to optimize. It did some crazy stuff. It seems to be working now, but we'll see what happens. All right, so back on point. Apparently people are watching my videos. Apparently people who have lots of subscribers are watching my videos. And I'm apparently the video idea machine. Where's my damn glasses? So if anybody else has made, other than what you saw today, a video about nuclear warfare or EMP stuff, I want you to put it in the comments because I want to watch their video. And I want to just put the name of the channel in the video. You don't have to make a link or anything like that, or whatever's easiest, because I want to see if they're full of crap. So the first one was just like, I don't want to be like everyone else making nuclear war videos. Then he just started rambling on like about shit he doesn't fucking understand. And then the Magic Man himself, I want to show you my EMP bag and what's inside of it. Damn, this heater's hot. And it's like, okay, it's cool. So the first thing I do whenever I deal with one of these guys, just to see if they're full of crap or not, is I check all their links. Well, surprisingly enough, he flat out said, I don't sponsor this particular brand, and I just like it. And what he was doing is he was trying to tell you about his EMP bag and all of his gear inside of his EMP bag. And that's a thing that YouTubers do. Let me show you my stuff. YouTube is like a big show and tell game. So the first thing he does is like, this is how you test to see if an EMP bag works. And he takes a radio and he puts it on frickin', little bow thing, and he puts it on one of the NOAA stations. And he's like, let's see, I put it in, it turns off. I take it out, it turns it off. Off, on, off, on. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? Someone should not be talking about things they don't understand. That is not how it works. That is not, does this dipstick know the 3 pulses of an EMP? Does he know the voltage of each pulse? Does he know how it disturbs waveform? Does he even know how a fucking Faraday cage works? I don't think so. There's only 2 things, and I won't even go on a rant about how he wants you to put an old cell phone into the bag, because then you would have something to use later on when, everything goes down, and you would have all this capability. And I was like, okay, so let's think about this logically for a second. The only thing that you would have access to is something you made on the phone that you could use that, oh my God, you wouldn't be able to create with a pen and paper, or the digital maps. But that won't work either, because everybody thinks that phones use GPS. They don't. Phones have a GPS assist in them. Phones pick up and triangulate the signal from cell towers that won't work after a fucking EMP. Okay. 2 things you need to think about if you're serious about protecting your electronic gear during an EMP or nuclear war. First is build a real Faraday cage. It's actually very simple, it's very cheap, and it works. Second, yeah, maybe I'll make a video about it. I already have one, but I hate making videos about stuff I already own. But anyway, the second thing is setting up a plan to monitor and maintain the devices that are inside of it. Modern batteries have electronics inside of them. Modern battery have, what's the word I'm looking for here? Modern batteries are not just liquid or just lead acid. Modern batteries have electronics inside of them, and you have to keep the batteries charged. How do you do that? Well, you have to unseal your Faraday cage. You have to unseal your $20 bag that you sealed up. Yeah, that you sealed up with this special tape. Yeah. You have to destroy your Faraday bag that you paid at least $20 for, just so that you can get in and make sure that the batteries that are part of the electronic devices are charged. Yeah. Yeah, no one's talking about that. So, please be careful in listening to these fucking fools. And here's the funny thing. If you do manage to watch Magic's video, I'm sure you can glean something from it. I'm not saying it's all out a bad idea. What I am saying is that you have to think your way through all of it. And if you don't, you're just throwing your money away. Or, what's even worse, all this time and effort and money you're gonna spend on these devices that you're gonna store away, it's not gonna matter. They're gonna be destroyed anyway. Most of those bags will not protect from the first wave of an EMP. Yeah, little known fact. Gotta love it, right? Okay. So, almost where I'm going today. Good workout. My prep today is making a video, maybe about, no, I already made the EMP video. It'll drop tomorrow. Today I'm gonna just prepare for the live stream, 6 p.m. Probably only gonna do it for a couple hours because I got shit to do later on tonight. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, guys. Till the next time, stay safe. Have a great day. And I'm just too bothered for the poop. But for you, here it comes. Woohoo!